Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm gonna do something I haven't done in a long time. I'm gonna cook Baby Ray barbecue chicken in the air fryer. Yes, the air fryer. So I'm back on the air fryer now. Okay, alright, so let's just follow me along and let's see if I got rusty or if I still got the touch, okay? Alright, give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you like my smile, give it a thumbs up. If you like my voice, give it a thumbs up. If you like chicken, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, and check out the links below to see if it's something that would interest you. Okay? Alright, so let's get started. I would think I want to start off with the word of the day. The word of the day is, due to the infection going around nationwide, there's a shortage of toilet paper in the grocery stores. Well, I went in my grocery store today and oh my goodness, the paper aisle was loaded with toilet paper. It was like it was Christmas. I ran and got me 2 packs because, I didn't think I would ever see it again. It was just so nice that they had that there, and I really appreciate it. Market Basket, you're the best. Okay, that's the word of the day. Toilet paper. From this day forward, after this infection, we're going to all appreciate toilet paper. Okay? Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so what I have here is all of my seasonings, and I'm going to turn it over and season the other side so you can see me. Oh, I want to make sure you can see too. There we go. I have 5 drumsticks. So this is paprika. Paprika really gives it a color. The flavor is not that strong, but you can taste it, some of it. It's not like a strong seasoning. This is Larry's seasoning salt. Larry's. My new friend, Sassoon Everything, that I now love. Black pepper. And garlic. Okay, now that we got that all seasoned up, I'm just going to put it right on the rack. I already oiled the drip tray and I already oiled the rack itself. Okay, so now I'm just going to put it on. The purpose of oiling it is to make sure that the chicken doesn't stick to it so bad that you're scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing to clean it. Okay, there we go. We're in. I just washed my hands. Okay, let's turn it on. We're going to take that down to cook at 370 is the temperature. I'm going to cook at 370, okay? And, okay, let's go 30 minutes and see what's happening. And then start. Okay, and we're off and running. Air fryer. Nice. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, YouTube family, let's check on our chicken that's cooking in the air fryer. that we're going to turn into barbecue Baby Ray chicken. I need a plate. Okay, here we go. So let me let you see first. Okay, but I'm going to turn them over and see how they look on the other side. Okay. They look pretty good on both sides, actually. Okay, I want to take a temperature. Okay, we're 169, so we are done. So I just want to put the Baby Ray barbecue sauce on it, and then I'm going to put it back in for like 2 minutes just for the barbecue sauce to stick to it, okay? Alright, so let me get the Baby Ray barbecue sauce. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce, okay? Alright, so I'm just going to put some on both sides. Then I'll spread it. Then I'm going to turn it over and do the other side. Okay, now I'm going to put the barbecue sauce on the other side and spread it as well. The last one. Okay, let me let you see that. So that's how it's looking. So I'm going to put it back in for like 3 minutes. So that this sauce can stick. I can just sit it down. There we go. Oh, no, 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 drip. Okay. You want to go down to 3 minutes on 370. That's 370 and we get 3 minutes. Okay, we're good. And I'll be right back, okay? Thank you. Okay guys, here's our Baby Ray's air fryer barbecue chicken. Look at that. Okay. So let me take a taste and show you. Okay guys. Juicy, tender, and oh my goodness. That Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, you've got to try it. They have all different types. They have honey barbecue, they got barbecue marinade, barbecue teriyaki. I could just go on and on and on. You will love Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And that chicken from the air fryer, juicy and tender. Okay, I'm going to run and eat mine, okay? Enjoyed you. I'll talk to you next time, okay? Subscribe, share the video, give it a thumbs up, would you? Check out all my links. Love you, bye-bye.